If you're new to either selling online or blogging, it can seem overwhelming at first when trying to think about what topics you should write about. If you're looking for ideas for blog posts or you're a complete beginner, we're going to cover a range of topics to blog about no matter what industry you're in, with a few tips and resources to get you started. Hi, I'm Tom and I'm part of the marketing team here at EKM. Now in this video, I want to give you 5 blog ideas for small businesses. We've got lots to talk about today, including why you should have a blog, research to do beforehand, and finally give you some blog ideas. So make sure you stick around for the full video. Okay, so before we get into the main part of the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you hit the bell icon, you'll get notifications as soon as we post any new videos that could be of importance to you and your online business. So first of all, let's talk about why you should have a blog. Now, whether you're an avid writer or a business owner, there are many benefits to having a blog. Now, the main benefit is to support your SEO efforts, so for your website or online shop. SEO is a very powerful tool that you can use to rank higher for searches, bringing more traffic to your site or blog if you sell online. This will definitely help you generate more sales. So second to that, education is another big reason to have a blog on your website. So whether you're educating customers on your products, services, or sharing your knowledge on a particular topic, your content should always be educational. Now, you can also create a lot of good social media content from your blogs, including regular posts on platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, but also content on Pinterest. This can help drive traffic to your site via your blogs. So first of all, let's talk about research and some things that you should do prior to creating a blog. So when it comes to actually writing out your blog post ideas, there are a few places you can look to for inspiration. The first being this wonderful blog title generator that can help you come up with your titles based on a topic of your choosing. Also, take a look at what your competitors and other businesses within your industry that inspire you are doing. See what kind of content they're creating for their online shops. You'll also be able to get a good idea of what topics you can write about, but next up, you'll need to see what will work well from an SEO perspective. So tools that we recommend for this are Ahrefs, which can help you take the ideas that you have and research into the keyword density for each idea. So they have a good kind of tool called Content Explorer that will show you what content is working well for that particular keyword. Or you can do a quick incognito Google search. And if you're still struggling to come up with blog ideas, then we're going to talk through 5 topics now. So the first thing is generic blog ideas, such as setting up a business. Whilst perhaps not as conventional as other topics we'll discuss in this video, you can write content about how to set up a business and use your own experience, whether you've been in business for 20 years or you've just started out. So you can split this out into a few different topics, such as how you created your branding, the background of your business name, what did you do to register with HMRC, your product creation process, and how you choose your packaging design, and so much more. So going into detail on how your business was created will help give your readers an inside look into your business, and they may feel more invested in the long run, helping them to become advocates for your business. The second thing is industry-specific ideas. So industry-specific blog ideas do what they say on the tin, no matter what industry you work in. Let's take jewelry for an example here. So jewelry-specific blog topics could include education on the diamond cuts, clarity, and sizing, for example. So you could maybe title a few, how to find the perfect ring size, what's the best diamond cut for you, and 5 engagement rings on a budget. Idea number 3 is news-specific blogs. So news can cover both industry news if it's relevant to your customers, or business-related news such as a new hire or a new brick-and-mortar shop location. Whilst this section may not be as popular as others, it can be important for press coverage if you're pursuing that route both online and offline. Idea number 4 is business specific. This type of blog will support the push of any of your new product launches, sales, discounts, promotions, and behind the scene type content. So this leads us into idea number 5 for what you could blog about. So product launches, sales, discounts, promotions. When you launch a new product, you want the whole world to know about it. So one of the best ways to drum up interest for a new product launch is to draft a sneak peek blog on some of your new products. So blogging about your upcoming sales, discounts, and promotions is another great way to engage your audience and hype them up about saving some money on their next purchase. It also helps build suspense if you do a bit of pre-promotion like we mentioned earlier. And that's everything for today's video. If it has helped inspire you to come up with the perfect blog idea for your business, let us know in the comment section below. As always, don't forget to drop a like and follow on our social media pages so you never miss a new upload that could benefit you and your online e-commerce business. And if you have any questions, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section and I'll be sure to get back to you. Again, I've been Tom from the marketing team here at Ecommerce. Thank you very much for watching.